Hello dear students, now we are going to study about exercise 6.7, exercise 6.7, page number 67, simplify. So before doing the simplification, as in your book given, number of numbers, 4 or 5 numbers are given, and in between each numbers there are a lot of number of signs are given. How can we solve that question? How can we solve that situation? We have to follow these things, that is the Damas. D-M-A-S. What is Damas? Damas, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So when we are given with the 4 5 numbers, and in each numbers there are a lot. Addition is also given, subtraction is also given, multiplication is also given. How can we solve it? We have to follow the sequence of Damas. We have to first divide, then we have to multiply, then add, then subtract. By doing this process in sequence wise, we are able to solve the question correctly. As first question is given, this is our first question. See, there are 4 numbers, and in between each number there are some subtraction, there are also subtraction, then addition. First of all, we have to add. In sequence, if we see that, we have to add first. So this number and this number are of addition. So we have to add both the number 30,983, 31,370. Then we have to add the subtraction numbers. We have to write like this. Okay. Now we have to add both these numbers. We get 62,353. By adding both these numbers, we get this answer. Now, next step is we have to add both these numbers by putting the subtraction signs in between both the numbers. By adding both these numbers, we get 44,154. Now we are left with these two numbers and with sign of minus. Now we have to subtract both the numbers. We get 18,199. Clear? We have to add first, writing the answer. Then we have to subtract the number. Next question is 570 minus 320 divided by 10. Now there are 3 numbers. These 2 numbers are going to subtract and these 2 numbers going to divide. So first of all, we have to divide. Okay. When we have to divide, write this number as it is and also write the subtraction sign. Then we have to divide these 2 numbers. 320 divided by 10. If we do like this, 0, 0, we have to divide. Then we are left with the 32 only. Now only these 2 numbers are left. 570 divided by 32, what comes? 570 divided rough, we can do all our rough. 32, 8, 3, 8, 3, 5. So answer is 538. Clear? Now third part is 710 multiplied by 2, then add 8,013, then subtract 2,526. So these 2 numbers has to multiply, then add, then subtract. So first step is we have to multiply both the numbers. 710 multiplied 2, 1420. Then add, then subtract. Now next step is we have to add both the numbers. What we get? 9433 and 3 So add both the numbers, we get 16,533. Now subtract it with the 2,526. What do we get? We get 14,007. Clear? Everyone? Now next part is 4200 divided by 35, then add 7123, then subtract 4120. So first of all we have to divide both the numbers. Divide both these numbers, what we get? 4200 divided by 35, 35, subtract 35 by 42, we get, then drag down the 0, 17, 35 2s are 70. Now drag the 0, 35 0 is a 0. Then answer is 120. By dividing both the number we get 120 as an answer. Then we have to add it with the 7123. Add it, we get 7243. Now subtract with 4120. What we get? We get 3123. Next is fifth part. Now next part is 125 multiply 42, then it divide with the 7, then add 609. Our first step is to divide 125 multiply 42 divided by 7 plus 609. By dividing we get 42 divided by 7 is 6. Now next step is we have to multiply. By multiplying we get 750. Then add 609. Answer is 1359 is the answer. Clear? Next is 529 multiply 71. Then subtract it with the 630. Then divide by 42. First step is we have to divide. 630 divided by 42. 42 ones are 42. Then we get 5s are 210. So we left with 529 multiply 71 minus 15. Now next step is we have to multiply 529 multiply 71. We get 37,554. 9 minus 15 we get 37,544. This is the answer. Next part is 12,629 plus 432 divided by 3 multiply 2. So first step is we have to divide 12,629 plus 432 divided by 3 multiplied by 2. So by dividing we get answer is 144. Then multiply 2. Next step is we have to multiply 12,629 plus 288. And the last we have to add. By adding we get 12,917. 8th question is 212 add 728 multiply 32 divided by 16 subtract 119. Then first of all we have to divide. Again 728 multiply 32 divided by 16. What comes? 2. Then next step is we have to multiply. Multiply we get 1,456. Now next step is we have to add. By adding both the number we get 1,668. Then subtract it with the 119. We get the answer 1,549. Clear? This is the question number 9. A student made some mistake in simplify the following sum. 1,827 subtract 312 then multiply 12 divided by 4. if his answer was 4545, then we have to find the possible mistake and we have to find the correct answer. Let's solve it. Is the answer is correct or where he commit mistake? So here first of all we have to divide both the numbers. By dividing, we get 12 divided by 4 is 3. After that we have to multiply it with 312. So the answer is 396. 3 to the 6, 3 1 the 3, 3 to the 9. Now we have to subtract 1827 divided, subtract 9 into 36. We get answer 9. Then 17 divided by 9 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 891 is the correct answer. Therefore, the correct answer is 891. I hope you have understood this exercise. Thank you and have a nice day.